Welcome, in front of me is ASUS Chromebook C434, and in this video I will show you how to check the serial number of this laptop. So to check the serial number of your laptop, you have to look at the back cover of your device and check the labels on the back cover. And if you take a closer look right here, you will find a label with the serial number of your device, which is this one. So that's how you check your device's serial number. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.